Anyway, we are going to start off the meeting. I'm gonna go through the short slides that I have. So we have the solutions, 22 solutions challenge. Mission is to solve for one of the United Nations 17 sustainable development goals using Google technologies. So basically what happens with the solutions challenge, it was created back in 2015. The sustainable goals for UN were created back in 2015. They are meant to be fully accomplished by 2030. The 17 are called SDGs, agreed upon, and they're all agreed upon by the 193 United Nations member states, which aim to end poverty. They also want to ensure prosperity and, most importantly, protect the planet. The thing is, we have some introduction videos from UN in the guys introducing what the solutions challenges and what basically they expect. I'll share the links to them. So the good things are we have the prizes. Before we go to the judging criteria, so it's sort of a competition involving uh, the different GDSCs chapters from all over the world. People are gonna sign up for the event, the solution challenge, and then people are still signing up. Some already have working solutions, so they just need to sign up, polish up their solutions, and then have present it during the set deadline, which is, I think, March 31st. We look into that when we get there. So we have the prizes. The one thing for just signing up and filling up the sign up form. I think I can open up the form. I don't know. It's a pretty small form. Just give me a minute. Solutions. Won't take you that long. You just need to, especially since most of you are members of a GDSC, a current, the Chuka chapter. It won't take long. It's a pretty small, it's not that big of a form, but I will share it with you on the chat section. You can take a look at that. In the chat section, I've shared the form with you guys. So that's the registration form that you need to fill in for you to partake in the solutions challenge. And as I was saying, just by signing in, you get an official certificate signed by both Google, the developers, and the UN officials, which it's pretty much, if you find the value in certificates, it's pretty much a huge deal because you're partaking in an international competition, and just by getting the certificate, that's pretty much worth a lot in terms of later on when you're looking for connects to jobs, and it's also a chance to maybe network with the other people who get to work on the challenge. But the prizes are, you're gonna start with the top 50 teams. So the only have is you can't submit a solution alone. So you need to have a team. So the minimum requirement is a team of 2 guys, and the maximum you guys can go is 4 guys. And the top 50 teams, so your team can be 2 guys, or 3 or 4. The top 50 of them receive customized mentorship from Googlers and experts to take solutions to the next level, a branded T-shirt and a certificate. So the mentorship from Google, that's pretty huge. you'll probably the solutions that you guys manage to deliver, um, you use that, you send that to, you get mentorship by different teams in Google, and they help you scale it into a production project that you can actually maybe monetize in some sort of way. And then we have the top 10 finalists. They receive the additional mentorship, a swag box, and the opportunity to showcase solutions to Google and Googlers and developers all around the world at Demo Day live on YouTube. So since last year, because of COVID, they have been showcasing the Demo Day on YouTube live. They have, I think at the end of the presentation, I'll share the links to the last year's demo day. You guys can take a look at the solutions that people are developing. People don't develop necessarily complex things. You just need to go and check out the sustainable goals, the 17, the different goals, the 17 UN goals. Choose one niche that you feel pretty well versed in, and the different solutions that you can, the different niches that you can get into. Just give me a minute. Let me share the tab with the different goals. A minute. Uh, hmm. I hope all you can see. So the different goals of the United Nations. For the 22 Solutions Challenge, your mission is to create a project that contributes to solving one or more of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals using Google technologies. So those are the only requirements. So we have the first niche is no poverty, and poverty in all forms. The good thing with this, you can also check it out. I'm sharing the link right now with you on the chat section. You can check that out. Um, hmm. The good thing with this, they include a link to example projects. We have Zero Hunger, so there are these links down here. You can check them out. We have good health and well-being, ensure healthy lives, and promote well-being of all at all ages. There are reasons why they've done the research that you need to do when creating a solutions. So all they need is for people to take up the resources they provide and build a solutions using that. We have quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation. And the other thing, we have affordable and clean energy, decent work, and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure. We also have responsible consumption and production, sustainable cities and communities, reduced inequalities. There are so many partnership, peace, justice, and strong institutions, climate action, life below water, life on land. I'm pretty sure we all have very different interests in different things, and to us, this is how whatever solution we come up with, it's totally subjective to who you are as a person and what matters the most to you. So I wouldn't say um, it's more of a chapter choosing what we are going to be working on. It's more of an individual or sort of the team that's going to be working on the solutions that's going to be choosing what they want to build on. And I think all of them pretty much, except the